Symbud Lamphang kaying dorbar utimoti di Shira ulah mudui persya ya umikanci sangma bat ubal serang marak halor ke Jingk no baki don keti hakikam sniu bat ke Jingk pun but nam kabadawa bensiu hadu shispa keluar tingka kum kabai menrain khmat utimoti ringkat bat ke Jingk don lang jong unong ya sat an usujit de bat ki MLA jong ke NPP umarthen sangma bat urupet momen kilawan ra ya kani kamukadama hakmat kaying bishar jong ke Chief Judicial Magistrate Hashlong mentakasngi. Habakren syakilat patai kubor. Shira ula keno bakini Arngut kila Sngewthuh Bakla ya ka jingkren jong u lingba ka video ha ka yeng dorbar tau an. Ula kubur bakila keno ya u ba ulong kum unong shun ya la ka jaj Briew bat ba upersya man penlong ya ketura kum ka winter capital.
They said they don't understand what I have spoken. So without knowing the details, and what I have spoken in the house. They have met plus in the YouTube that I am totally against my community. I am totally against the construction, making Tura winter capital, and thereby, you see, he has. He said he condemned me for not cooperating with the community.
KHASI Students Union kala kentaj